I got my camera EOS 60D. I ordered one lens, a 50mm with 1.4 f-stops, and I ordered a mic to go with the camera. That is the video mic. Let's start with the camera. Let's put it here and here got some leaflets from Amazon. EOS 60D manual, English user manual kit. The UK power cable. All the cable for connecting to external monitor, I think. And a European cable as well. Power cable European. The camera itself. Here it is. Here it is, the EOS 60D from Canon. This is the bottom side of the camera, and you see here a place for the lithium battery from Canon. And on the side you will see an area for different connectors. And at the top you got a connector for external mic, connector for HDMI, USB, and last a connector for a remote control. Then here at the back of the camera you got different controls, like this wheel that is for menus. You got the menu button, then to see the pictures and to lock this wheel. This is the LCD, which is the unique selling point of this camera. You could twist it in different way, and you could as well see yourself in the viewfinder, or rather the live view, when you're filming or taking pictures of yourself, for example. Again, to connect to tripod or monopod. This is I have attached to the camera a length of 50mm. This button is to release the lens. You press it and twist it just a little, release the lens, and then the lens itself have a little red spot that need to coincide with the camera red spot. If you put it together, then you twist it just a little to the right, it will click in and the lens will be attached to the camera. This at the bottom here you see a place to connect the camera with the tripod or the monopod. This is the focus for the lens. Here's the button for the manual and autofocus. Here on the top area of the camera you have different controls. Control for shooting and shooting video and still. You got autofocus, drive, ISO, and flash. And that's it. Got a battery charger, so you can charge the battery connected to the power source. The camera strap. What else? One battery. And that's it. That's everything in the box. Nothing else. This is the mic from Rode. This is the lower side you can connect with the camera. It's very plasticky but solid. This is the back side with 3 positions. This is the other side, and this is the protector, the wind protector, the windshield, that you could remove, and that's it. Let's open this one. It's a very good price, about £30 for it, so shouldn't expect miracles, but at least place where my equipment will be safe. And see how it fits. Yeah, the camera fits right well in there. I think, yeah, these compartments, you could take it apart and get it more tight. So, and as well the stripes. This is good. It's very modular. So I can now have it with one lens already. Pull the strap here, and then put this. Get it tight here. Nice. It's fantastic.